Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quiz Genius channel. Question number 1. Who was the first president of the United States? George Washington. Question number 2. In which year was the Declaration of Independence signed? (1776). Question number 3. What is the capital of the United States? Washington, D.C. Question number 4. Which U.S. state is known as the Sunshine State? Florida. Question number 5. Who wrote the U.S. national anthem? Francis Scott Key. Question number 6. What is the longest river in the United States? Missouri River. Question number 7. How many stars are on the American flag? "50 stars. Question number 8. Which U.S. president issued the Emancipation Proclamation? Abraham Lincoln. Question number 9. What is the national bird of the United States? Bald eagle. Question number 10. Which U.S. state was the last to join the Union? Hawaii. Question number 11. What is the official currency of the United States? Dollar. Question number 12. Who was the first man to walk on the moon, representing the U.S.? Neil Armstrong. Question number 13. Which U.S. state is famous for Hollywood? California. Question number 14. What is the largest state in the U.S. by land area? Alaska. Question number 15. Which war was fought between the North and South regions of the U.S.? Civil War. Question number 16. Who was the third president of the United States? Thomas Jefferson. Question number 17. Which U.S. landmark is nicknamed the Gateway to the West? St. Louis Arch. Question number 18. What is the U.S. national motto? In God we trust. Question number 19. Which U.S. state is known as the Lone Star State? Texas. Question number 20. What is the smallest U.S. state by land area? Rhode Island. Question number 21. Who was the president during the Great Depression and World War II? Franklin D. Roosevelt. Question number 22. Which U.S. city is known as the Big Apple? New York City. Question number 23. Which U.S. document begins with the words, "We the people"? Constitution. Question number 24. What is the tallest mountain in the United States? Denali, Mount McKinley. Question number 25. Who was the first African-American president of the United States? Barack Obama. Question number 26. Which U.S. state is famous for its potatoes? Idaho. Question number 27. What is the oldest university in the United States? Harvard. Question number 28. Which U.S. holiday is celebrated on the fourth Thursday of November? Thanksgiving. Question number 29. Which U.S. city is home to the Liberty Bell? Philadelphia. Question number 30. Who was the main author of the Declaration of Independence? Thomas Jefferson. Thanks for watching. Keep your mind sharp, keep challenging yourself, and we'll be back with more fun quizzes soon.